Hey guys, it's your favorite Team Vegan Chef's Chef, and tomorrow I'm going live at 7 p.m. and I would love for you guys to join me on my live stream, and I would love for you guys to cook with me. And we're just making something simple. We're making sushi for my 1K celebration. We hit 1,000 followers and I'm so happy. So for our recipe, we're gonna need nori, it's seaweed. And this is optional. It's actually sushi ginger, but I just love it. And then this is also optional, but it's nori. My brother loves it. It's just sweet tofu pockets. And then we have the vegetables, which is red pepper, orange pepper, carrots, green onions, cucumber, and avocados. Because what's sushi without cucumber and avocados? And we have some brown rice. This is short grain brown rice. You can get this at any store. Then we have some Himalayan sea salt and some evaporated cane sugar and some rice vinegar. So make sure you all the ingredients, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!